Hi everyone, my name is Megan and I'm a first year student at the University of Nottingham. I'm going to study geography and I'm actually moving into halls today. It's Saturday the 19th of September and I'm so excited. Obviously this year things are going to be a little bit different, so I'm a bit apprehensive, but after months of being locked away, I literally can't wait to move to a new city and meet new people. So yeah, we're leaving in about half an hour. My lovely parents have already packed most of the things. So yeah, I've just got a couple of last boxes to go in. So yeah, we've got about an hour and a half, 2 hour drive, so it's not too bad. Yeah, I just plan to film my first week to give you a glimpse into what welcome week is like this year. Just look at the amount of stuff that is in the car. Hello, so I'm in the car now on the motorway. Everything's going okay so far. Funnily enough, I just passed someone in the car who is in my accommodation and on my course. We're probably going to arrive at the same time. Yeah, I'll definitely arrive in time for my 11 till 1 slot, which is good. Just walked into my room for the first ever time. Yeah, so you have to wear masks like everywhere in the hall. Well, not in your own room, but I'm just gonna keep it on because I don't want to keep touching it. But yeah, I've just left my parents in the car. I thought I'd find my own way here first, you know, be a proper adult.
Oh, you got a nice, not bad view actually.
So we've put everything in my room, as you've seen. It's crazy how much stuff I have. I'm not going to do all the unpacking now, but just the essentials, just so my room doesn't look like this. Right, so this is the progress we've made so far.
You don't know what to do next, do you?
There's still lots and lots of things everywhere. Hello, so my parents just left, as you can see. It was quite upsetting saying goodbye. I want to just get straight into the action now, so I'm meeting some girls. I just put on the group chat asking, like, does anyone want to meet? Like, give me a little tour, because a lot of people have been here for a while. There's still mess everywhere, but look, so far. We had dinner. My first dinner was alright. It was like chicken and rice, so that was fine. We walked around the campus with a couple of girls and I went to dinner with this lovely girl called Heather, and we're meeting later just to go to the student union. They have this bar there and they do like food and stuff as well called Mooch. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Sunday morning now. We're just gonna go for a little walk. We need to go to Co-op because we need to get in some bits for like the fridge. We've got a nice evening. We're going to the Alchemist. So yeah, I'll try and show shots of campus while we go on our little walk. Hello, so we just did our first co-op trip, so I'm glad we know where we are now. I'm with Heather.
Hello.
It's quite early in the morning, so the campus is very quiet and it's very nice. It's a very picturesque walk. So yeah, we're just heading back now. And I think we're just gonna have a little walk, aren't we?
Yeah,
around the campus.
maybe explore the town a bit.
Yeah. So it's now Monday morning. I'll let you know how my first ever tutorial goes. My personal tutor seems really nice, and we've got like an actual meeting in person outside, come rain or shine, next Wednesday. And now I'm just doing really boring stuff. Like I have to sign up to a GP, I need to sign up to the gym. Going to Rock City tonight, like a crisis night, so I'm really looking forward to that. Oh, so the this morning I just had all of my induction lectures. We had one about mental health, which is obviously so important every year, but especially this year. And we also had one about work placements and getting a job and all that. Yeah, the way that they did it was a video that you'd watch before, so that was pre-recorded. Then straight after you'd go to a Q&A, which was live on Microsoft Teams, so like people could ask questions. Yeah, I really liked how that worked. Excited to get lunch today. Yeah, I'll take you along, show you bits of campus, and let's go. Hello, so I hope you can hear me. I think it's Wednesday today. I'm just on the way to Mooch, which is the student union bar, to meet up with some girls from geography. Gonna go for lunch, it's raining. I actually did my module choices this morning, so I've done all of that. I have no lectures for the rest of the day. Hello, so we've just finished the Freshers' Fair and we're going to give you a little haul of everything that we got.
Corn from Uni Salad, wellbeing box with everything you need, classic little travel mug, a free slice of Domino's.
Right, so we also got some chocolate and some playing cards, which is good because I didn't bring any to uni. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed a little glimpse into my first week at the University of Nottingham. If you'd like to see more of my time at uni, then be sure to check out my Instagram and YouTube channel. Just search Megan Mahoney. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!